LinkedIn is one of the social networks that allows the greatest variety of content to be published. But this forces us to know well in what format we should publish them. Did you know that publishing on LinkedIn with the optimal size can help you double your visibility? In today's video, I will explain it to you. I'm Xavier Mitjana, and you are on Build Your Brand. Doing something as easy as choosing the ideal size for each type of publication allows your content to double its screen area, as you can see in the example below. Now, I'm going to introduce you to the optimal formats for the different types of content that LinkedIn allows you to publish images, videos, and documents. Let's go! Let's start with the posts with image. When we create a post with an image, we must take into account that the format that covers the maximum surface in all devices is the vertical format, with a ratio of base to height of 3:4. Therefore, a good size for the image is 1080 pixels wide by 1350 pixels high. In the case of publications with images, it is not at all advisable to use a landscape format, such as the usual 3/2 ratio. However, despite not being the optimal format, if you already have creativities made in square proportion, you can take advantage of them, since it is a layout that guarantees good visibility and to which the user is already used to. As far as videos are concerned, we see that LinkedIn treats them differently depending on whether we play them on a mobile device or on a computer. On mobile devices, the format that covers the maximum screen area is the same as for images, 3/4 vertical, while in the desktop version the maximum format is square. Of course, this completely discourages the publication of videos in horizontal formats, such as the classic 16:9. In this case, even though most users access LinkedIn through the mobile application, my recommendation is to go for the square proportion. Why? For two reasons. First, when adapting the vertical format to computer screens, LinkedIn automatically introduces two rather ugly vertical bands to our video to adjust it to a square format. And second, it is much easier to adapt a video recorded in 16:9 to a square format with a template than to adapt it to a vertical ratio. So, in the case of video, our recommendation is clear: use the square format. Finally, as far as documents are concerned, we note that there are also two optimal sizes depending on the display device. In this case, it is just the other way around than in the case of videos. On desktop screens, the maximum viewing area is achieved with the 3:4 format, but on mobiles this is achieved with the square format. In this case, LinkedIn displays documents correctly on all devices without needing for weird artifacts, regardless of their format. But we recommend the square format because it works best on mobile devices, and because this format has good visibility and usability also on computers. Once explained, you know now. Gain visibility and avoid unwanted margins by publishing with the right size. And remember, if you want to download our guide on how to optimize your LinkedIn profile to align it with your strategy and objectives, you can do it in the link I leave in the description. You will find a guide of more than 50 pages where we explain, step by step, the function of each of the sections of your LinkedIn profile. A complete guide that includes examples, practical exercises, videos, and proposes tricks and creative uses of the different sections so you can optimize in depth and get the most out of your LinkedIn profile. And that's it. If you found this content interesting, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Don't miss my next video. Your support is essential. If you found this video useful, interesting, or entertaining, like, share and subscribe. You can also follow me on my LinkedIn profile. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.